SPY, when we had the big downside, there it is, that 150 days when I said load the boat. What I am saying now, with this bull run, as tremendous as it's been, on those big sell down days, and at that point the CCI channel was extremely low, it was like minus 249, and then the CCI channel right there, it was 163. So that's when you know how to buy them. But now the CCI is up toward the highs. Yes, it is. It's at plus 128. So I'm just letting people know that with no volume, you had zero volume going up. You had a lot of volume when they sold. So we went out to October 31st and we got extremely low prices on the 570 put options that go out till then. So once again, here's October, that's 71 days. And I am saying that the 570 put is the entry. We were the low of the day. We were actually lower than that the previous day when we originally had bought them. But my point that I'm saying is that the market has had a tremendous run to the resistance. There is a lot of risk if you're long. You don't have risk when you're long buying the dip. You have risk when they're up here, and you should be selling and taking profits. Okay, we took a light position for October 31. It's not a day trade. No. Once again, I will update it under the ETF section.